Let's make delicious stew with spinach. This stew is all fresh. Garlic and ginger, fresh tomatoes, enough onions and pepper shake. So I'm going to blend and cook it. Now I'll be using fish for this recipe. I've already cooked and I will be adding some cooked gizzard and stripe. So now let's fry the fish. Cut some onions for our stew. My love for fresh curry leaves. Oh wow. I don't joke with this. Who else is like me? I don't joke with curry leaves. Fresh one, not powdered. Fresh. And let's make stew. Now let's put small tomato paste. Mix, mix, mix and allow to fry. This is the good. Okay. My pepper meat has cooked down, so I'm gonna off it and allow the tomato paste to fry a bit before adding the pepper mix. Seasoning powder, I'm going to allow it to fry. Now let's transfer the stew to another place and boil hot water for rice. 2 bags of fresh spinach. Now I'm going to blanch it.
Bubbles.
Just to add some coconut flavor. No, food is ready.
If you fry
Let me go and serve my odogu.